Hello guys, this is Best Locksmith, and today we're going to show you how to use the new Lishi tool TW1. That's for commercial and residential purposes. We're going to use it in a 5-pin cylinder. So first step, we're going to check the cylinder is working okay. It's turning. So now we're going to use a tension bar to show you it's not a modified cylinder. Doesn't turn. So now we're gonna stick the Lishi tool. Remember to take all the way back the picking part and just get inside to the tool. Okay, so the first step, you have to remember this Lishi, we're not gonna start from the center of the plate, we're gonna start from the top of the plate. We're gonna check bouncing in every pin. Now we're gonna use a little bit of tension. Remember, the key of a good pick is small tension, small pressure. So we start with the number 5, we have bouncing. We start with the number 4, we have bouncing. You see how it gets stuck on the lowest numbers. So we have bouncing. We get to the number 3, we have bouncing. We have stuck pin on the number 2, so we go ahead and pick it. We go to the number 1, we go ahead and pick it because it's stuck. So we have bouncing. The number 2 gets stuck again, so we pick it up. We go to the number 3 and it's stuck, so we start to make a little bit of pressure for every time. And remember, you have to wait until the pin clicks, so you know you already picked that pin. There you go. So in this case, we already opened the lock, and we can take the measures of the key directly from the lock. Thank you very much. See you next time.